Hey y'all, it's your girl TNT, and today I'm finna show y'all how I decorated my grad cap for graduation. So I recently just graduated from the #1 public university in the nation, UCLA, class of 2019. Shout out to you. And y'all, seriously, I decorated my cap like a few hours before my ceremony, the day of graduation. So I had an idea of how I wanted it to look, but I didn't have an exact design. I knew I wanted to have my initials on it with some spaz and a little quote from Beyonce. So, let's see how I put this together. So everything I'm going to be using in this video, I did get from Michael's. And here, I'm just making a little border around my cap with some paper that I found and some fabric glue. So like I said, I didn't know exactly how I wanted it to look, but I knew I wanted my initials to be on there, TNT. So as you can see, I put that in the middle. Then I decided to border that with some different patterns of little paper, the same paper that I got from Michael's. And around that, I went ahead and used the quote, I just might be a Black Bill Gates in the making. You know where that's from. If not, that's from Beyonce. But anyways, I decided to use that quote specifically because I am a Gates Millennium Scholar, meaning Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. They fund all of my college journey, like all the way up to my PhD. So shout out to you, Bill Gates. I love you. I used little stick-on letters to do that, and I would actually say these held on pretty well. Like, for it to be fabric on the cap, I think I had like maybe one letter fall off, and I was able to stick it right on. So I just did that around the border of the little border I made around my initials. So here I wanted to add just a little more pizzazz or whatever you want to call it. So after I actually pressed my initials down so that they would stay, all of this was like stick-on stuff. After I stuck that on the cap, made sure it was just right, I put some little flowers that I had in each corner, and then I put some like confetti stuff on it. So you'll see me do all of that. So just watch. I had also painted like some little tiaras on it and stuck like stiletto shoes and random stuff throughout the middle just to give it a more fuller and complete look. And so this is me putting the confetti on, but here's the finished look. If y'all like it, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm just readjusting the bottom and putting a headband on that so that I can put it over my natural hair. Y'all, I took these twists out. I didn't wear these twists to graduation. But if you like this video, check out my graduation vlogs. Please give it a thumb up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. And I love y'all. It's been your girl, TNT.